I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wash my face every morning. I wash my face every morning.
I brush my teeth after I wake up. I brush my teeth after I wake up.
I eat breakfast before I go to work. I eat breakfast before I go to work.
I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning.
I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work.
I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning.
I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
I walk to the bus stop every day. I walk to the bus stop every day.
I wait for the bus every morning. I wait for the bus every morning.